Meet Junner, a hardworking father and farmer in the hills of Cebu. Today, he takes care to his farm, where you can see different kinds of trees, such as mangoes, bananas, and avocados. Junner keeps getting different total each harvest. On day 1, they gathered 125 kilos, containing 3 kilos of mangoes per tree, 2 kilos of bananas per tree, and 1 kilo of avocado per tree. On day 2, they gathered 225 kilos. It contains 4 kilos of mangoes per tree, 4 kilos of bananas per tree, and 3 kilos of avocados per tree. Lastly, on day 3, they gathered 275 kilos. It contains 6 kilos of mangoes per tree, 5 kilos of bananas per tree, and 2 kilos of avocados per tree. Junner has 3 harvests and 3 equations. But how do we solve them quickly and accurately? This is where the augmented matrix methods comes in. An augmented matrix is just a shortcut way to write a system of linear equations without all the variables. Think of it like decluttering your math life. Why use it? Because once it's in matrix form, you can use elimination or row operations to zero out terms and simplify. It's like leveling up your equations into a game of logic and pattern. From chaos to clarity, the augmented matrix makes solving system faster, cleaner, and perfect for elimination. But wait, before we solve Junner's farm mystery, let's warm up with a simple example so you can see how this method works.
Now we will use the elimination method to solve a system of linear equations. We're going to go example where we have 2 variables, and let's start with a simple example. So, let's say that 2x plus y is equal to 7 and 4x minus y is equal to 5. So, how can we find the value of x and y? By the way, whenever you have 2 variables, you need 2 equations to solve it. To use elimination method, we need to add 2 equations. Notice that if we add the 2 equations, the y variable cancels. Y plus negative y is equal to 0. 2x plus 4x is 6. So therefore, 6x is equals to 7 plus 5, which is 12. So now, we could find the value of x. What we need to do is divide both sides by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1x is the same as x, and 12 divided by 6 is 2, so x is equal to 2. Now that we have the value of x, what we need to do is plug it back into one of the original equations to get the value of y. Let's use the first one. So let's replace x with 2 and let's find the value of y. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 plus y is 7. Now, if we subtract both sides by 4, we can get the value of y. So y is equals to 7 minus 4, which is 3. So unordered pair, we can write the answer like 2, 3. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3.
Now that you've seen it work, let's apply this to Junner's harvest. We'll eliminate x from equation 2 and 3 using equation 1.
Eliminate x from equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3 so that both have 12x. So 12x plus 12y plus 9z minus 12x plus 8y. So it equals to 4y plus 5z equals 175. And that is the new row 2 equation. So eliminate x from equation 3. Now we can multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtract from equation 3.
Now, you subtract and you will get the new equation 3.
Step 2. Substitute the value of y to the new equation 2. And you will get the value of z. Step 3. To find the value of x, substitute the y and z to the original equation 1. And you will get the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 25, and z is equal to 15.
Thanks for helping me on this journey. I hope you discovered something new and so much in a whole new life. Think you could help me with my next season's harvest? Try setting up your own matrix for a new set of numbers and solve it. Because in this vlog, you're part of the story too. Until next time, keep solving, keep learning, and keep exploring.